Welcome to Finding Out a New World in English.
Articles. An article is an adjective which modifies nouns. There are three articles, a and n, the indefinite articles. In English, a and n are used to refer to a non-specific noun or when something is mentioned for the first time. These articles are used to talk in general. Use a and n with singular countable nouns. A is used before nouns that start with a consonant sound such as car, tree, kid, I just saw a kid. And is used before nouns that start with a vowel sound like eraser, explanation, umbrella. For example, he needs an explanation now. Exceptions. There are a few exceptions when using a and n. Acronyms. Use a before acronyms with a consonant sound. A NASA scientist, a laser printer. For example, a NASA scientist discovered a new phenomenon. Initialisms. Use them before initialisms with a vowel sound. An FBI agent, an MBA degree. For example, why did an FBI agent call? Silent H. Use them before words starting with a silent H in hour, an honor, and air. For example, it was an honor to work with them. U or EU. Use a before words starting with U or AU if the pronunciation starts with a consonant sound. A university, a union, a European country, a unique paradigm. For example, she hasn't been to a European country. The definite article. The is used to talk about something specific. The is used when something is common knowledge. It means that a lot of people know about it, so it's taken for granted. For example, the English are sophisticated. Moreover, the is used when there is only one of something, or when the noun has been mentioned before. Have you seen the yellow blanket? The is used to refer to one-of-a-kind, unique entities. This includes singular celestial bodies like the sun. Watch out, use the when mentioning rivers, the Amazon River, oceans, the Pacific Ocean, groups of islands, the Galapagos, deserts, the Sahara Desert, mountain ranges, the Andes. Never use the before the name of places like single mountains, single islands, lakes, streets, cities, most of the countries, continents. Say Mount Everest, not the Mount Everest. Say Lake San Pablo, not the Lake San Pablo. Say Candy Street, not the Candy Street. Say San Cristobal Island, not the San Cristobal Island. Exception. If a country is a union, a collection of islands, or has a plural name, you must use the United States, the Netherlands, the Philippines. To sum up, a and an indicate a singular noun referring to any person or thing within a general category, a non-specific item. In contrast, the is a specifier used when a noun has been mentioned before, is already known to the listener, or is entirely unique. Further assistance. When to use the. Use the to refer to specific buildings or landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower, the Taj Mahal, the Great Wall of China, the White House, the National Gallery. Historical documents such as the Magna Carta, the Bill of Rights, the Declaration of Independence, the Mayflower Compact, the Treaty of Paris. Some countries like the Holy See, the Bahamas, the Republic of the Congo, the Dominican Republic, the United Arab Emirates. Mountain ranges like the Rocky Mountains, the Pyrenees, the Heritage Range, the Alps, the Sierra Nevada. Rivers, the Nile, the Colorado, the Jordan, the Thames, the Ganges. Lakes, the Great Lakes, the Lake District, the Lake of the Woods, the Great Salt Lake, the Finger Lakes. Seas, the Caspian Sea, the Dead Sea, the Red Sea, the North Sea, the Sea of Galilee. Islands, the Cayman Islands, the Canary Islands, the Islands of Vancouver, the Island of Jersey, the Big Island. Celestial bodies, the Kuiper Belt, the Oort Cloud, the black hole at the center of the Milky Way, the Orion Nebula, the comet Hale-Bopp.